Hey guys and gals, we Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable and simple ways to do things. Today we're going to share with you the ultimate way to make your tire shine last. I know many of you are sick and tired of putting tire shine on and a few days later it looks like garbage. Well, we're going to share with you one of our biggest trade secrets that will really help you make your tire shine stay on looking great. There is a prep to this to make that happen. Stick with me as we go through this, and I think you will absolutely love what we're doing here. First thing you want to do, and one of our trade secrets, is cleaning the tire with lacquer thinner. So what we do is we have a little tray of it, or you can have a little bowl. We take a sponge, we just go over it first to loosen everything up. Now you know with lacquer thinner, it evaporates pretty darn quick. And the reason we do this is because time and time again you put tire cleaner on and try to clean it. It will not remove all of the tire shine that has ever been put on that tire. You're getting back to basics. You're taking the tire back to its roots and basics by getting everything stripped off. Now this tire is really dirty, so I'm going to go over it a couple of times. Now look at the dirt that I'm pulling off that. It's nasty. Once I do that with a sponge, then I'll take my lacquer thinner in a spray bottle and go over it like this. It will not hurt the paint on your wheels if they're painted or chromed or any of that. Just spray it right on the tire. People always ask us, how do you get that tire to shine like that? You remember our Mercedes project. The cleaning process is very important. In doing this process, it'll allow it to stick to the tire better, and you will not have sling where it slings off. Now we're going to use our tire shine. As you know, we like to use, it's probably the only Armor All product that we use is the Xtreme Tire Shine. We put this on very heavy. And dirt does not collect to it. No dust or dirt. If you do this, then get it out in the sun and let it set, and I'm telling you, it will look just like that tire on the Mercedes project we did. Beautiful. You'll have a lot of compliments, and people ask you, how do you do that? How do you keep them shiny? If you don't have to do this every other day or every week, and it lasts for weeks, there you go. Just saved yourself a boatload of time. All right, we'll let that set, and we'll go out and show you a wheel that we did, tire that we did half and half, and then I'll show you what it looks like when you do the 303, because it's not going to be as shiny as this right here. Now here's one that has just 303 on it. It's not as shiny for those of you that don't like it shiny, but like your tires to be darker and cleaner looking. This has been on there for weeks and it looks awesome. Now let's go look at one we did half and half that has never been conditioned. Alright, this tire here has never been conditioned. You can see by this side over here it is horrible. And they have to be replaced because if you look real close, you can see the cracking right there. The tire sidewall starting to split. If they would have, and look how much tread's left on that. If they would have kept these conditioned with 303, they wouldn't have had that problem. But here's the difference between it. And we just did this, did half and half, and it looks beautiful. Even though it's an old, decrepit tire that's cracking, it looks gorgeous. All right, here's our tire. It's all done. Like I said, you set this out in the sun, it will just start to glisten. All of this will mellow out and it'll just look beautiful.